Welcome to all. Today we discuss about stick diagram. So how to draw the stick diagram and what is the purpose of stick diagram and how to design what is the comparison of stick and layout diagram. The VLSI design aim to translate circuit concept into on silicon. The stick diagram means a capturing topography and layer information using simple diagram. The stick diagram conveys the layer information through color codes or monochrome encoding. Act as a interfacing between symbolic circuit and the layout figure. Does not all components via show relative placement of components and goes a step closer than layout and help to plan the layout and routing. The stick diagram notifications. So there are metal, polysilicon, N deficient layer and P deficient layer. These are different kind of materials. There are you want to follow some set of rules. For rule 1, when two or more sticks of the same type of cross or touch each other, that represent electrical contacts. Rule 2, when two or more sticks to different types of cross or touch each other, there is no electrical contact. Rule 3, when a poly crosses deficient, it represents a transistor. Rule 4, in CMOS degradation, line is drawn to the avoid touching of PIM deficient and deficient layer. All PMOS must lie on the side of the line and all NMOS have a be on the other side. N-type enhancement mode of transistor. So here N-type CMOS transistor, NMOS transistor, drain source gate. The physical symbols given here. As per your stick and layout diagram, the red color and green color should be you are utilizing here. So the both are different kind of material should be crossing or touching means. So this kind of symbols should represent for N type of transistor. In deflection layer means, so between that you can mention the small square yellow color means that is called as deflection layer. In P-type material means you can use only for yellow and red, and this is a method of transistor how to identify the either NMOS or PMOS transistor. So the example of NMOS deflection load inverter. So on the left hand side we can able to view the CMOS schematic view of NMOS deflection inverter. Here the NMOS is the converted to the source should be connected to ground or VSS and input VGS should be connected to VIN. The NMOS drain should be connected to Vout. In PMOS transistor, the source should be connected to VDD or power. The gate should be connected to short circuit to Vout. The drain should be connected to Vout. This is a schematic of NMOS differential inverter. The corresponding layout diagram should be given here. So metal for VDD and ground should be we can utilize for blue in color. The metal input and NMOS transistor green and red means that is called N type material. Green, red and yellow square means that is for PMOS type material. So just compare your stick diagram as well as schematic diagram. Similarly, we will discuss about CMOS inverter for deflection layer, enhancement layer. So here both the gates should be short circuited. The short circuit or input should be connected to V in. So as per this figure, green and red should be denoted for N type of material, NMOS transistor, and red and yellow should be denoted for P type of material. Okay, here red is nothing but polysilicon layer. That should be nothing but your input terminal. Output terminal B should be short circuit with your blue in color, and the source of the PMOS should be connected to ground. Should be mean the yellow color should be connected to power, and green color power so ground should be connected to your blue. That is called NMOS type of transistor. Using the help of stick diagram, you can refer your layout diagram. Two input NAND gate circuit. In two input NAND gate circuit, there are two input A and B, but there should be in dot product, means the both the transistors should be in series in parallel in PMOS transistor. So you can remember any one of the method, either pull down network or pull up network. So first we'll discuss about in pull down network. Okay. So A dot, if we assume that y equal to A dot B whole bar. Okay. So we don't worry about your whole bar, that should be denoted for your PMOS transistor. Pull up network. In pull down network, both the input A and B should be in connected in series dot product, and the inverse of NMOS should be PMOS transistor. So as per this figure, we can able to verify your stick diagram of CMOS NAND gate and corresponding layout diagram and two input NOR gate. So the inverse of two input NAND gate. So both y equal to A plus B whole bar means here A plus B means that both the transistor input A and B in NMOS pull down network, both are in parallel circuit. But in PMOS transistor should be in series, and corresponding stick diagram should be given here and layout diagram. Thank you for your attention. Any queries? Thank you.